Hey everyone, it's Kyle with Prolux, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change the filters on our wet and dry Prolux Garage vacuum cleaner. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's the garage vacuum, and to gain access to the filters you have to take off the dirt bin since both filters are found inside the unit. So you just have these latches on each side. Go ahead and then remove the actual vacuum. And once you have the actual vacuum portion, you want to flip it on its side. The first filter you're going to see is going to be the cloth filter, and to remove it there's this little screw-on nut that holds it to a shaft. Just go ahead and unscrew it. If it is on there good and it's giving you some trouble unscrewing it, some pliers can help you get some more leverage on it. So unscrew that, set it aside, and then you can just remove the filter, the cloth bag filter. There's this inner piece, and then all you have to do is just pull it out. With this filter you can wash it, you can blow it out with an air compressor if you have one. If you wash it, just make sure you let it dry completely before reinstalling it. To reinstall it, put the bag back in the plastic housing and then put that inner sleeve back in. And once you have it fully put back together, just make sure that shaft right there goes through the hole, and then you put that piece back on to hold it in place. And then for the next filter, it's going to be this cylinder HEPA filter. Same thing, there's going to be another screw-on nut. So just remove it, set it aside so you don't lose it, and then just kind of wiggle it out. Same with this filter. If you feel inclined, you can wash it. You can blow it out. Just make sure if you wash it, you let it dry completely. Or you can buy both filters on our website. There will be a link in the description down below. We recommend replacing the filters every 6 months to a year. And then to reassemble both filters, just reverse the process. Once you got the filters back on and they tighten down, go ahead and put the dirt bin back on. And then if you see this little tiny weird probe thing hanging down, this is a sensor. So if these two metal prongs become covered in dirt, debris, or water, it's going to trip the yellow indicator light right here, letting you know that there is a clog or the filters need to be cleaned. If you have that problem, usually just wiping these metal prongs off in the probe will reset that light, but that's just a quick little note in case you have an issue with it. And once you got the filters changed out or cleaned off, just reattach the dirt bin and you're good to go. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you need replacement filters, check out the link in our description down below, or you can visit our website, www.proluxcleaners.com. If you guys need extra assistance or need more troubleshooting, email us at service@proluxcleaners.com and we'll get you taken care of. I'm Kyle with Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.